Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to make Chrome a default browser on phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your phone settings. So I'm going to simply click on here to access my phone settings. Having opened up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply make use of your search right here. So I'm going to simply type in default. Then I'm going to click on search. Now, the next thing you want to do here is to simply navigate to default browser app. So click on that. It takes you to your browser apps that you have on your phone. So the next thing you want to do here is to simply switch to Chrome. And with that, you have automatically made Chrome a default browser on your phone. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to make your Chrome browser a default on your mobile phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.